Hi viewers, it's a pleasure meeting you with all my nice preparations that I do for you. I hope you enjoy, and are you all trying it out? If you try, I will be happy. And then if you comment, I'll be the happiest of all the people. Like what I am going to do now is spicy rice. So watch how the spicy rice is going to be, right? Something different to the normal preparation. So please do try it out and see. Watch carefully now. To make this spicy rice, what I am going to do first, I have taken sambar rice, either basmati or sambar rice, or even whatever rice you prefer, even red rice is okay. I just want to warm it up, the pan. Then what I am going to do is a tablespoon of oil. Okay, only a tablespoon of oil. A dessert spoon of ghee also. I will use cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, the star anise. Now I will add the onions. You can see we are adding the onion, and all this I have put. Now I need a little bit of curry leaves, rumper, and I need a little garlic, green chilies. All that we put, but I kept a little. I'll tell you why. So now mix it nicely. I use nutmeg flour also. I forgot to tell you. Nutmeg flour also I put 1 or 2. Along with that, if it's a spicy rice, I told you, I'm putting a few capsicum, chilies, red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper I had. That yellow pepper only I put. Now that also I have used a little. We have some more things which we won't use it now. And I kept a little onions, garlic and all. That also we need later. So we will keep all that. Now we will be using only this and nicely stir fry. Once it is stir fried, I have washed the rice and kept it ready. Wash the rice and kept it ready. Into that, I am slowly putting the rice. I took with this cup, 2 cups of rice I have taken. What did I do? 2 cups of rice I have taken. So please remember, when I put 2 cups of rice, I need roughly 4 cups of water. Roughly 4 cups. 4 cups of rice I have put, 4 cups of water I have put into the rice. Chicken cube to make it tasty. Generally, we don't put salt and cook the rice, but here today I am using a little bit of salt. 3/4 cooking. So we will cover and cook 3/4 cooking. After it's 3/4 cooked, I will add the prawns, and I have milk, coconut milk, which we will be using after 3/4 cooked. So we have to wait till it's 3/4 cooked. Meanwhile, I am going to do a chicken preparation. With the bones I have cut it. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to add salt, chili powder, not a little chili powder, I am going to turmeric, pepper, all that I have put. Now we will mix it nicely and keep aside. And we will start preparing the tempering. Onions, curry leaves, rumper, garlic, green chilies, all that I have put. Slightly stir fry. Chicken I am marinating and keeping. If you want early, say about half an hour early, you can marinate this and keep the chicken. Okay? Because I need more onions for this preparation, so I'll put that also. The chicken. We marinated the chicken and kept it. So now I am stir frying slightly. We will add the water. Now the chicken has to get cooked well. So we will cook the chicken. We'll add a little more chili powder and a little chili pieces. Now this chicken preparation is ready. Gravy separately. So we will take the gravy, a little bit of gravy separately. I put more water, took it because I want the gravy separately. Now almost the rice is cooked, not fully cooked, but almost the rice is cooked. I am going to add the prawns. Milk. We need the coconut milk. Add it into the rice. I use the milk, coconut milk only. If you want, you can use even fresh milk, it's okay. Either the fresh milk or coconut milk you can use and cook this rice. Cook for another 5 minutes and take it. So prawns should be cooked at that time, lastly, so that it will be tasty also. Now this is ready. Now what I am going to do is, I strain the gravy from here. I will add the chicken pieces. Cooked chicken, I will add it. Without the gravy, we have put the chicken, took the gravy separately. Right. Now, I didn't put the whole thing. If you want, we can put that balance also. Now what I am going to do for this, see the rice is ready. Now what I am going to do is, I will put the curd. Add a little ghee, coriander leaves and a little bit of parsley, a little bit of pepper and salt. That goes over the rice. I wanted the curd and the ghee to get mixed together. A little bit of spring onions, finely chopped spring onions, parsley on top. Very spicy, very nice, and I hope you will also enjoy this type of preparation. This is only for garnishing. We have to garnish nicely. The rice is ready, and I hope you will enjoy, because the gravy which I have done, while you are serving, you can just put a little bit. I didn't put the whole thing, just to show you. We can use that. As I told you, the spicy rice is ready, and we don't need any other side dishes with that. This alone will be nice. You can have for lunch, you can have for dinner, but it's more suitable for lunch. Food is something really good for all of us, and if you prepare it at home, it will be much better, and I hope you will enjoy much better than any other food, because get together, the family members, the children, mother, all get together and prepare so that you will enjoy. And I hope you will enjoy the preparations that I have done. So, with the next episode, I will meet you soon. Till then, bye from me now.